As promised, here is a quick walkthrough of this weekly workshop calendar and how to use it. So a lot of this will stay the same. One of the things, as I said, is you're going to just choose one workshop that's listed from these times below, and they will stay pretty consistent each week. We may change things a little bit, depend on your needs, but mostly these will be a constant time if you want to put something in your routines, and that's the one you go to each week. Or you can choose a new time or new content each week. This we will update, this description, and depending on what you're doing in English 130, we'll be trying to support specifically the work in that class. So we will change what kinds of workshops we offer each week, even though the times will stay pretty consistent. We really encourage you to come with your cameras on for these Zoom sessions. It will be a small group of students, most likely, with your mentor. In some cases, it might be one-on-one or 2 or 3 of you, and other times there might be 10 in these workshops. But this is really a chance for you to even just meet some other people, some fellow people on campus that when you're on campus, you can wave to and say hello. So kind of building your network. So if you can turn your camera on, please do so. It just really helps, as you can imagine, with the tone of this space. So then what you'll want to do is look down here, and you already answered a survey, thank you, about the ones that might work for you. And so, here's the days of the week across the top, and you're going to be like, okay, so Wednesdays at noon work for me. So I think I'll go to CODIES, which is support for college work routines. And then when you click on any of these links, it will take you to a short description of what the workshop is focusing on and the Zoom link and meeting ID. And all the mentors have just slightly different organization for how they do it, but all the same info pretty much is here. So you can look at Mariah's and be like, okay, this is what we're going to be focusing on. Here's a little bit about Mariah, and here's her Zoom link. So that's how you will find the Zoom link. I will send this to you a million times, leave it in Blackboard, all those things. So make sure you scroll all the way down. Sorry, I moved that really fast. Make sure you scroll all the way down because there's some all the way down here, including Wednesdays from 4 to 5 with Ben. So make sure you see all your options, and we will keep updating. Thank you so much. We look forward to meeting you, at least getting to see your faces in the Zoom sessions.